Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Bieber back here and I am your favorite wig blog. On this channel, I share hair tips, wig tips, DIYs, tutorials, including lifestyle and vlogs. So if you're yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you're the first to get notified whenever I upload new content. If you're new here, you're welcome, and to returning subscribers, thank you so much. How many of us have noticed that whenever we wash our lace closures or frontals, the hair keeps pulling out from underneath the lace? To avoid that, you may want to do what I'm about to show you in today's video. It's really frustrating when you're washing your lace closures and the hair begins to find its way underneath the lace and begins to pull out. That is why it's advisable to always seal your knots. When you seal your knot, it will prevent the hair from pulling out of the lace when next you want to wash your closures or frontals. I'll just place the closure like so with the lace facing up and the hairs underneath it.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
There are a number of products sold in the market used for sealing knots, but I'll use this product, the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, for sealing my knots. It is normally used when laying frontals, but I found another use for it. It is also affordable and readily available. So how this works is that it freezes the knots in place, so when you pull on the hair, it doesn't allow it to loosen up easily. I'll go ahead and apply this to the knots. I'll spray a first coat and allow to dry, then come back to spray a second coat. Make sure to do this slowly so it touches every knot. Also cover the areas where the product is likely to touch the strands of hair so it doesn't freeze out your hair, okay? Okay guys, so I've applied the first coat and I'm back to apply the second coat.
I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it heals, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I am done applying the second coat. I'll just let it air dry. Or you could use a blow dryer to hasten the process. guys, with this, your knots are sealed and will stay in place when next you want to wash your closures. But that doesn't mean you wash your closures vigorously. Like I said, closures are fragile and you want to wash them carefully. Alright, guys, thank you so much. Hey guys, if this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave all your questions and comments in the comment section and I'll make sure to respond to them all. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. But don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification. Alright guys, bye.